If you're wondering if you can remove the white borders around the icons on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will answer this question. So the short answer is no. There is no way to completely disable the white borders around the icons on your iPhone, because these white borders are a new feature in the new iOS version, the iOS 26, which is called the liquid gloss. And basically with the liquid gloss, you will get a liquid gloss-like effect in the UI of your iPhone. So there is no way to disable this feature, but there are some settings you can enable to minimize this effect. For that, just go to Settings and tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just tap on Display and Text Size. Now from here, just enable Reduce Transparency, and as you can see, as I enable Reduce Transparency, it is reducing the blur effect in the UI. And also you can enable Increase Contrast. After that, just go back to the main settings page, and from here just tap on Display and Brightness. Tap on Liquid Gloss. Now instead of clear, just select Tinted. As you can see in the preview, the background of the buttons are clear. Then tap on Turn Off and use Tinted. Now after you do that, it will apply a tint effect to the background of the liquid gloss. And as you can see, it is currently not clear. Now, as you enable these features, you will not disable the white border around the icons, but you will minimize the liquid gloss effect in the UI. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.